Thanks for joining us again.
It's the not morning.
It's 2 o'clock. And if this is your first time, I'm Bryant. This is Stella. And today you'll be joining us in our daily adventures of life.
Of life?
Of life. We got some bacon. That's for breakfast, or that's for the first meal of the day. And then over here, we have what looks like bacon. It's what? Pork short ribs?
Called pork country ribs.
What else do you have to say?
I made my coffee. The bed's made.
Oh yeah, so that is paid.
However,
It's in sofa mode.
we're not dressed yet.
It's here. It's finally here. We got our blank I/O shield. Finally, the computer can be complete once I cut out the appropriate little slots, and hopefully I don't mess up because I only got one of these, assuming I wouldn't mess up.
We are going to take it all apart now.
Yeah, you
All that hard work.
But we need that. You see we got a lot of gappage here, a lot of place where dust can go in. Put this here and it's supposed to supposedly add more support to this, but hopefully no more dust and it'll just kind of make it look prettier and more finished. Okay, so this is the thing I cut out last time for it. And then we finally put the motherboard in place, and then Stella has traced down and cut out another piece.
You're not staring at anything because the camera fell down.
How's that going, honey?
How many of these have I done now?
I think currently we're on the fourth or third iteration. So you can see here it fits pretty well. Pretty much have access to all the ports properly. Stella's confident that she has it all centered up.
So this piece goes on, like pops out like this. So because we've been doing all the blanks on this side, I need to then flip it over for this side, which I haven't done.
Whoa, is that like magic? Okay, so Stella has finished drawing it all on here, and I guess it's my turn to cut it. Okay, here we go. Here are some of our iterations. These two I did. And this is Stella's, and then this is hers. This is what I'm gonna use for the final template for this. I'm terrified I mess up. It's unfortunate because I have a rotary tool, which would be a great tool to use, but I don't have a cutoff disc.
Giant snips.
Why don't have small snips? Very rough cut of the I/O hole shields. End up with a smaller bit. Hopefully cut straight through.
Yeah, you just got that into the strainer. So this is what it looks like. There's our lunch. Ta-da!
Here's the moment of truth to see if anything goes in. Is that lined up?
No, this is not easy to put in.
We got it fitted in as far as it'll go. So we need to take more off here, here, and then on the top. So we'll make a few little adjustments a little bit.
You're done?
I think so.
This is so sharp. Ta-da! This is the other way. Ta-da! Mr. has lots of protective gear.
The gloves actually aren't super necessary, and with rotary tools and whatnot, you might not want to wear gloves because if you catch. Alright, another test fit. This time it should go further in.
So, can't you just stick it in this way?
How would you know where it fits?
It looks like lots of things need clearance. These two are touching.
They
It's
are?
okay. We will go ahead and
No, I'll fix this.
Oh, wait, what's happening now?
I gotta put them all back on.
Mouth mask, eye mask, ear mask, hand mask. How many more times?
I would say maybe 3 more.
We just did one. This is our second try.
Yeah, I think it's probably only gonna need 1 more go. Alright, let's go.
Does that mean it's the finishing touches?
Yeah, I'm pretty confident. I think that should be the
Because that's a polishing one.
Yeah, to take out some of the burrs. Alright, we finally got the IO shield cut out and we're happy with it. Happy enough, I suppose, right? You're gonna see it fall, hopefully, perfectly into its home. Perfectly enough. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. Check it out, you tell me. The only one that might possibly be blocked is this, this is a DVI port, which I'm not too worried about since we don't have a DVI port. The computer will be in its final ultimate form. Okay, well, essentially we have to put the entire computer back together, but we now know what we're doing and we're confident, so it should be much quicker the second time around. But, oh, you go on this side, right?
No, you can go on that side.
Because no, you know where everything goes, honey. I don't want to mess it
Now
up.
you can learn.
No.
That makes no sense. You want me to be the tiny hands. My hands are all burned.
Maybe, okay, fine. I will be the one that puts it in, I guess, maybe.
No, you can do the cable
Oh,
management.
the cable management seems terrible.
Oh
I
my
don't know.
goodness.
That's a Julie.
That's stinking thing you want to
Okay,
do.
I'll do the plugins.
No. Alright, battery's running low.
I'll just show them what it looks like when it's done. I don't know, everything else looks kind of cool, but then it got a little wonky here. It looks pretty cool, except we got a whole bunch of stuff here.
Yeah, then what did I say?
Why does it matter you're not going to see it?
Because it's a big panel that covers this entire thing.
You gotta take pride in knowing that you did it super cool.
I get that it should be like untangled and straight cables, but like this is all going into one place. All we're ending up doing is folding them back and forth so it looks like a nice cluster.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot, alright? I'll see you then. Stella's unhappy with me. I asked her to unplug these so I can try and maybe manage them a little better.
So far we've already unplugged one and now we're unplugging all the rest and I'm like, you see, I should have just sat on this side the first time.
Yeah, Stella was right. Maybe she should have been I should have done cable. I don't know. I thought that was super neat.
You also came here and goes, how do you plug this in? How do you plug that in?
Yeah, I really hope it looks cool after.
It's going to be covered.
Look good? Look good?
You just stuffed everything in there.
Yeah, but it's now nicely tied together.
Do you want to turn it on again?
Loose. Yeah, let's turn it on. Food time.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oof. That was a long venture with the computer thing. How long did that take us, honey?
It took 7 hours.
Took us 7 hours?
I already told you it.
No.
Because I started cooking at least 3.
That's 6 hours.
Yes, almost 10.
Gosh. For the record, I haven't eaten anything. Did I?
You had a peanut butter sandwich.
Oh.
But if
I
you
had
want
a
to say you had that,
Oh, I lied.
Sure.
I ate something. It's just been such a long time since I've eaten something, I guess. And finally, we can catch the last glimpse of the meal being put together. It is pork. This pork spare ribs with daikon.
Pork country ribs.
Pork country ribs. Daikon.
Yes, there is that. We've moved the computer to right next to me.
Yep. And we gave it internet. And I don't think we told you all earlier, but the HDMI on the motherboard does not work.
So
I called my friend. He said I should just install the drivers and it should be okay.
So that's what we've done now. We've
Oh,
plugged in, we put the computer down, we've plugged in the internet so we can download these drivers and see if everything works.
so it looks like now we're gonna hopefully get that all in order.
Yes. Hey, honey.
Okay, so we got both of the HDMI ports to work on the graphic card works, but the motherboard HDMI ports work now. We got sound to work. The last thing we're trying to do is get the hard drive to work.
Difficulties.
We've initialized it. I think you need to partition it and format it. Other than that, everything seems to work. I don't know how much extra time. I think we spent another couple of hours trying to get this to work.
The time is now 12:22. And
I don't know if you heard that, but that was thunder.
that was thunder, and I hate thunder. I need to hold on to either Mr. or Oswald. It's still going on. It's considered rolling thunder. So it's 12:22, and I don't know how much longer we're gonna be at this.
Till it works.
Really?
Huh?
Oh, I predict another 2 hours.
Oh, that's. Oh, you didn't see that. It's one of those things that since I record so much of my life now, not so much, but a lot of my life, and when you like miss a moment, it's like, I should have got that on camera, but I didn't.
Mister's been watching these weird videos about this man hanging off
That's
like a ledge.
It's because my friend sent me a video about finger edge training.
Mister decided
Well, I wanted to test to see
come
how
over,
far ours is.
make
I think
sure.
it's pretty deep.
Uh-huh.
It's at least the first digit of my finger, but I mean, first digit finger's not an inch.
I don't know, I didn't follow you. So he went up there
It's about an inch.
and like grabbed it and then like,
Yeah, so what I did is I went like this. Grabbed it.
and then put some weight on it, and then all I hear was like,
I
like
tried hanging.
all these bones.
Anyway.
I'm like, were those bones? That's terrible.
And it was it was such an interesting experience. I've never experienced this before. All of these fingers, including the pinky, the first digit on all of them just cracked. So I just heard 8 cracks, and then I was like, oh, my fingers, they really hurt. That was the stupidest thing I've ever done. But when I did it again, I was able to get some hang time. Did you see that? My feet lifted off the floor.
Your hang time increased right now.
Yeah, my fingers didn't crack that time. Do you see it?
I think you need to do some stretches. Oh, there's his feet. There goes his feet.
I did it. Exciting. With the computer, we have another update.
I don't think you can see the screen.
You can't see the screen, but what it's doing is formatting the hard
You can
drive.
see the screen now, but
Oh.
Brian's missing.
Jason has informed me that he has never ever had to do this on any computer ever. He just says you plug the hard drive in and everything's fine. But I was like, the internet told me I need to initialize it, I have to partition it, and then I have to format it.
We're
And
at
then-
the formatting stage right now.
25%. It's been like a couple hours.
It's been 2 hours.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't think we're gonna stay up for this, honey. It's at 25% at 2 hours, making it, we'll have to wait till like 8 hours, so 9 o'clock in the morning.
Exciting. I'm
Yes,
typing with
honey.
Jason on Skype right now, and I'm using Dvorak.
He's cheating on me, Skyping with someone else.
Jason doesn't believe my ledge is 1 inch, so I'm gonna measure it and take a picture for him. I need to go show Jason how wrong he is.
Okay, this is how Mr. and Jason operate.
That's the kind of friends we are.
Proof of ledges. Should it?
Good morning.
What?
Very confusing. It's 4 o'clock right now. 4:17 to be exact.
We haven't gone to sleep yet, and clearly we're
Wow.
full of energy.
It was just that computer thing. I really wanted to get it working. Yesterday I really wanted to get it working. Today all we had to do is make blank IO shield. Put it
That took
back.
like 6 hours.
Did it really take 6 hours?
Maybe even 7 hours.
Really? I don't think so.
It took so long, and I knew it was going to take so
I
long.
knew it would take a while, but I didn't think it'd take that long.
Yeah.
And then we didn't even get the hard drive to work fully yet. It's still partitioning, or no, it's still formatting. We also had this weird blip, or I did. I thought the graphics card was supposed to be able to light
we
up.
Spent a little bit of time just researching, trying to download all the
Mhm.
drivers and stuff, and I was like, why won't it light?
And then I found out the one I got doesn't light up. And I was like, ah. And then I looked at it more closely and I was like, yeah, that's not going to light up. It doesn't even look like it's going to light up. I don't know why I thought it. Nah. Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed watching us struggle through the simplest of tasks today.
Compared to yesterday, yes. All we needed to do was cut out the IO shield,
Yeah,
put it
get
in,
things to work.
and download drivers.
Hopefully it was interesting to you. Hopefully you might have even learned something. Comment down below if you've had this similar issues trying to set up your computer. Or if you've
Well,
learned something, hopefully.
I really hope your motherboard comes with an I/O shield, so you do not have to go through the 7-hour process.
Well, they do come with one.
Standard, yes.
Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, so you can come back tomorrow and you know when our videos come out.
And see if Mr's fingertips will hurt even more after
Oh
I
no,
sleep.
yeah, I'm not doing the finger hang things anymore. Comment down below.
It's weird though,
don't-
because you'll say it, and then you'll talk for another 5 more minutes with another interesting tidbit. And so if you just stopped at the like, comment, subscribe 5 minutes ago.
No,
you
I
would
did
have
not say
missed-
all of them. I only said, see, I think the audience is trained to just like, comment,
Trained.
subscribe. It's like the end of a video. When those 3
Yeah.
words in conjunction with each other are
Then
all
they'll
said,
stop the
over.
video and move on.
but sometimes not really, because I've watched videos where like it looks like it ends,
Oh,
and then there's just like black space for like 4 minutes or something, and I'm like, and then the thing is, I don't just stop there, I click
You need
intermittently
to make sure
to make sure
watch
nothing
it.
else happens in the video. I don't know why.
You need to. You're a completionist. We're going to say goodnight, though. Are you going to say the 3 words now?
You say it. What? I just credit because I don't even know what they're supposed. I don't even know why I say it. I just say it.
We would like
I'm
you
such
to
a
like
follower.
our videos, so we know you like our videos, and we can continue.
Yeah.
Subscribe to make
Motivates
sure.
us.
Well, then we know that you want to see more videos too,
Subscribing does that too.
and commenting. Commenting lets us know that we're not the only ones in the world that take forever setting up a computer or try fingertip pingy things. Okay. Good night.
See you tomorrow.